Hey guys, it's Lily here from Lollipop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these cool keychains for your purse or bag. So I hope you stay with me till the end. Okay guys, so this is what we are going to be making today. And so you need a ruler or a tape measure. And you need 2 colors of string, and then you need a little keychain like this right here. And I have my scissors, and so now you need to cut 2 14-inch pieces. Okay, now that that's done, now you need to cut 12 of that same color, but you need to cut them 6 inches. Now you need your second color that you are going to use, and now you need to cut 12 6-inch pieces as well. Okay guys, and now you already need your other 14-inch string, and I have already put one on. And the knot that you are doing is called a lark's head, and you are going to fold it in half like this, and then you are going to put the loop end through the little hole of your keychain here, and you are going to put it through. And now you are going to put the little ends through the loop. And now you are just going to pull the strings as hard as you can. And now put both of them to the middle like that. Now you either have the choice to hold it or tape it down like I did. And now you need a 6-inch piece, and you're going to fold it in half like you did on the 14-inch, and you are going to lay it underneath. And then you are going to take another one of the same color, and you are going to fold it in half again. And then you're going to lay it on top on the opposite end of the other hoop. And now you are going to put the strings through the hoops, and you're going to pull it tight and then slide it up all the way. And now you need the other color of 6-inch. You need to fold it in half and put it underneath on the opposite end like I just did right there. And now you're going to take the same color, and then you're going to fold it in half and put it on the opposite end on top. And now you are going to put the strings through the hoops and pull them tight and put them to the top. And now you just have to continue that until you are out of your 6-inch pieces. And now if you notice, this one right here that I have already made, it is unraveled. And so now your next step is to unravel the little pieces. The next step is to get a comb or a brush, wherever you have at home, and just brush it out until it kind of looks like this. Now when you are done with that, you need to get a pair of scissors and trim it how you want. You can do it in whatever shape you want to. Now this is the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I had a lot of fun doing this with you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos. Bye guys! Mamma mia! Mamma mia! Mamma mia! Are you videoing it? Did you video that?
Are you ready?